Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Life Smart English.
In today's lesson, we're focusing on how to start and end a meeting politely at work.
Stay with us till the end, and you'll feel much more confident using these sentences at work.
Hi there, please stay still and turn up the volume. You'll listen to a realistic face-to-face meeting between two colleagues. In this video, you'll learn how to open a meeting professionally, how to guide the discussion smoothly, and how to close the meeting clearly and politely. This is real workplace English, not textbook examples. Stay until the end to practice key sentences you can use immediately. Let's begin. I'm Alice, an operations manager. Harry is a colleague from another team. We're meeting in person to review progress and align on next steps. Good afternoon, Harry. Thanks for coming.
Good afternoon, Alice.
Please have a seat.
Thanks.
Before we get started, did you manage to find the meeting room easily?
Yes, no problem at all.
Great, let's get started. The purpose of today's meeting is to review our current progress, discuss any challenges, and agree on next steps.
We've scheduled about 40 minutes, so I'll try to keep us focused and on time.
I'll begin with a brief overview. Then I'd like to hear your update. Does that sound okay?
Yes, that sounds fine.
If meetings like this are part of your daily work, take a moment to like this video. It helps more professionals find the lesson. Let's continue. Before we move on, is there anything urgent you'd like to add to the agenda?
No, nothing urgent from my side.
All right, let's move to the first item. I'll start with a quick update on the overall timeline. At the moment, we're still on schedule, but there are a few areas we should monitor closely. Harry, could you share an update from your team?
Sure. Overall, things are progressing well. However, we may need additional support next month.
Thanks for raising that. That's helpful to know. Do you have a sense of what kind of support might be needed?
Possibly more technical resources during the next phase.
I see. Okay, let's take that into account when we plan ahead. And from your perspective, are there any risks we should be aware of?
Nothing critical at this stage, but approvals could take longer than expected.
That's a good point. Thanks for flagging it early. If this conversation sounds like a real meeting at your workplace, don't forget to like the video, so others can benefit from it too. Let's move on. I'd also like to confirm our priorities for the next 2 weeks. From my side, the main focus should be finalizing the current phase and preparing for the next one.
I agree. That aligns with our plan.
Good. It's important we stay aligned. Before we wrap up, let me summarize what we've agreed on. First, we'll keep the current timeline. Second, you'll review resource needs and share an update by Friday. And third, we'll revisit priorities in our next meeting. Does that sound right?
Yes, that matches my understanding.
Great. Before we end, do you have any final questions or comments?
No questions from me.
All right. Thank you for your time and for the update today. I'll send a short meeting summary with action points later today. If anything comes up before then, feel free to reach out. Now, let's practice together. Repeat each sentence after me, and try to match my tone and pace. Focus on sounding polite, clear, and professional. Let's begin. Good afternoon. Thanks for coming. Let's get started. The purpose of today's meeting is to... We've scheduled about 40 minutes. Does that sound okay? Before we wrap up, let me summarize what we've agreed on. Do you have any final questions? Thank you for your time today. Have a good rest of your afternoon. Well done! A polite opening sets the tone for the meeting. A clear ending helps everyone know what to do next. Keep practicing these phrases and you'll feel more confident in meetings at work. See you in the next lesson.